Hello friends, welcome to my channel and I hope you all are doing good and everyone is staying safe in this pandemic time. So today I'm going to do the unboxing for Redmi 20,000 mAh power bank, and before that, as usual, let's do the sanitizing first so that we all will be safe, because these products are coming from far away and will not be knowing like how these are handled. So yeah, just for our safety. So done with the sanitizing. And so this one I have ordered from Flipkart. You can see here I ordered it yesterday and I got it today, so it's quick delivery by the Flipkart, really much appreciated for that. And I got this for 1599, and the actual price of this power bank is 1999, like around 2000. So let's start with the unboxing. And just to make it clear, I'm not going to give any review today because this is just a first day, so it's too early to predict or give review about any product without using that, so that will not be correct. So I'll be just unboxing it and I'll be showing it like what all things are coming up with this product and the box, how it looks like, and whether everything is safe or not. So done as usual, they've given the bill here, so leave it. So this is our power bank. So here you can see now it's mentioned like Redmi power bank 20,000 mAh, 18 watt fast charging, and they mention like lithium polymer battery, dual port input, micro USB and USB-C. So the good thing is like here you can use either your C-type charging or the normal charging, and the advanced chip protection they have here, what they have mentioned is made in India, very much important now. So we are looking for only made in India, so I've just bought it that. Redmi power bank. Here you have all the details about the product, name, capacity, everything. You can see here now MRP 1999, like almost 2000, but I got in discount, so got it for 1600, made in India now. So we'll go inside this box. Let's see. You can see here MI logo hologram is there, so that makes it like original product. You can believe it as an original product, so it's fine. This one was available in two colors, black and white, so I generally prefer white color, so I ordered for the white color. You can see here we got these many things. And just to give more brief about this product, like about its features, with this product you will get 6 months domestic warranty, and it's a lithium polymer battery what I mentioned. And in Flipkart you'll get 7 days replacement policy, cash on delivery available for that. And you have dual ports. I'll show you once I'll open this one. Then it's two-way fast charging, so as compared to the other chargers like takes time to charge your mobiles, but in this charger what it mentioned like it helps the fast charging, like once you plug in, within few minutes of time your mobile will get charged, so you're not supposed to be away with your loved ones just because of the charging. And durability, they are telling like a 12-year circuit chip protection in place. And in the box you'll get one power bank, you can see in my hand now, and one USB cable. Good part is like you're getting USB cable along with that, and you have a user manual which is here, you can see now. So user manual, so all these three things will come inside the box. And you have two output ports, and that power supply is your 5 watt 2.1 ampere Then you have features like dual input port, dual output port, anti-slip textures, 18 watt fast charging, 12 layers of circuit protections, and two-way fast charging. And the weight is your 447 grams, so you can see here now. So let's open the product. I can say like it's not a fake product as per my experience, and you can see the packaging is too good. It's quite heavy in weight compared to your other charges, but before we used to get like 10,400 mAh, but good part is like we have 20,000 mAh, which supports like multiple charging for the devices. So it's good for your travel, like if you are traveling somewhere you can carry this one. You can see like two output charging ports, and then your C charging and the normal charging still you have. So they mention as REDMI. I can ask my cameraman to focus on that. And here just to switch on, you can see like it's charged, and the normal details mentioned here. And the USB cable what I got, that is just the general one, but if you want your CU charging then you have to buy it separately. And this is your manual card, so you can see here they have mentioned like product overview, like how you have USB ports and all those details are there. Then the charging details they have given, discharging and all those things are there. So before like using the product must prefer, or you can go with this, and then only you can start using it. The warnings you have, so please strictly follow these warnings in order to avoid any unfortunate like things happens with you or your loved ones. So always prefer reading the warnings before using the products. You have the precautions like please make sure to fully charge the product on its first use. So I'm not going to use it directly, I'll be following the instructions and I'll be charging this to the maximum extent possible, then only I'll be using it. And then the specifications you have here, and then anti-counterfeit label instructions they have mentioned here. You can see that the same thing even we got while opening the box. You can see you have. So yeah, that's it. Regarding review, I'll be giving only after 2 to 3 weeks, so that I'll be giving accurate review which helps you in making your decision whether you're going for the Redmi or you're going for the other charger. And very much important, I'm not promoting Redmi anyway, I'm just bought this one, that's why I'm telling about this power bank. So yeah, it's a good one, under 2000, so it's really economical and anyone can afford it easily. So thank you so much. And I request you, like if you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel so that I'll be coming up with more unboxing products. And yeah, please like and share with your friends. Thank you, thanks for watching, thank you so much.